Wow, there's two of them. You see that? Wow. Oh my God. They've been moving back and forth. You see the one on the left disappeared?
Yeah.
Holy shit, there's another one coming out the clouds. Wow. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I believe now X-Files is real. Hershey, Pennsylvania. Chocolate capital. There's lights in the sky, and they're moving. Wow. Holy shit. There's another one coming out. What the fuck? What is that? Story. Holy shit. There was two of these things about a second ago. What is it? That's not natural, bro. See it? What the fuck? Damn. There goes the other one coming out the sky. You see that? What is that? Wow. See it? Wow. Look at that. See, it's moving behind the houses. See that? What the fuck is that, man? It's like a little sun moving through the houses. UFO, Hershey, PA. Look at it. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
I keep moving around, then... There's another one.
The second one's coming in.
Yep, that's the 10th one.
And look, people are watching. There's one person just looking. There's a third one.
Yep, here comes the third one. So that's number 11. I'll be sending it to Security Team 10. But, yeah. So it's a rainy day, very cloudy out. Can't really see anything, it's 10 o'clock at night. Look, one just disappeared. This is, as my count, the 11th one coming in right now. Can't really see on camera, but they're orange. Oh, right there, look at that. You can see, oh, there we go. There we go.
Keep it long enough so when they disappear.
Yeah.
So people are watching.
As this is not fake, there are people walking down there. Still going.
It's glowing in a way.
The sky is orange behind them.
Looks like there's another one.
Yep, another one's coming in. Right there. Look,
That
one
one's just
just disappeared. So is this number 12?
Is there a pattern to this?
Yeah, it's a pattern.
That one looks like it's moving pretty quickly, the glow. You can't probably see it with the camera.
If you can see it through the screen, I mean, look at the orb. It's solid in the center. My camera, oh, there it goes.
Just disappeared.
Here comes another one right after this one. I'm gonna keep recording this until all this stuff stops. See, those are very close together. And they're in the same area too. It's not
I
like
think
they're
at this
moving.
point we could probably guess that it's not anything related to like
It's
a plane
it
or
can, yeah, can't be planes or missiles. And for anybody, this is in reference to the known fireballs. Here comes a third one. That have won around multiple times. People can say whatever they want. This is alien stuff. There's no other explanation for it. Still going on. One just disappeared. Another just disappeared. Now it's just that one. Here comes another one. Two disappeared, two more just formed. And this is in Hershey, Pennsylvania. And they are moving slowly.
It's over there by Arcadia. You know what that is? No, we already checked it out.
Yeah, they're reforming. They disappear and reform.